What would you say if I told you that 6 strangers from all over the world have joined up, bought a 60-year-old fire truck, and intended to drive it 37,000 kilometers all the way from Denmark to Thailand?
That'd be really, really fucking cool.
So amazing.
Let's see.
You don't know? Exactly. And that's the point.
You get tired. You might get sick.
Traveling has become so foreseeable. With all the opportunities we now have to check up on our transportation destination with all-inclusive and prepaid guided adventure trips. But where's the real adventure in that?
I joined them in the water and they show me how they surf in Denmark.
We have decided to leave our GPS and guidebooks behind, take the road less traveled, and rely solely on the help of kind strangers in order to find out if real adventure is still out there.
Hello, hello.
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 Nice to meet you, Thomas.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to the Picnic Club.
Act more and more horribly, and we lose our trust and our faith in each other.
And let's be honest, we will need help along the way, because frankly, we're all broke. So we gotta be on our best behavior and meet the unknown with open arms.
Okay, let's find out.
Yes, I can't wait.
To save money and pollution, we have modified the engine of the fire truck to make it run on used cooking oil. Yeah, you heard that right. Cooking oil.
Yeah, not my favorite type.
Right, mate.
What could possibly go wrong?
Denmark, I guess.
Pour some out for the homies.
Amazing. Can I try?